Venice, Venice Beach, 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 Venice, Venice Beach, beach, beach. That's right, everyone. This is Venice Beach, California. The brand new skate park. It's off the chain. The young kids are loving it. The old kids are loving it. People are falling. They shred. They catching air. They in the air. People flying. They tumbling. It's going on here at Venice. Going fast, going slow, up and down, all around. Hear the sound, skateboard wheels churning, baby. These bows is yearning, baby, for the drop pros, baby. Everybody knows, you come to Venice, you gotta come to skate, baby, baby. Start down at the Venice skate park. Just opened October 2009. It's almost been 1 month. It's been a rave. It's a packed house every day almost. People chilling, people dealing, willing, and doing their thing. Celebs stopping by to check it out.